Oh, so you want to hear the story about that?
Yeah.
Okay. He approached me and said, hey, we have a bunch of torches that we were thinking about maybe building something cool for FabTech. Would you be interested? I'm like, yeah, what do you think? He's like, well, maybe a throne of some kind people can sit in. I'm like, that's cool. He's like, well, how much would you charge us to do that? So I didn't answer, right? For 2 days, I thought about this because this guy's already helped me. I don't want to spank his pocket or his company's pocket. So what I came up with was you and me build it together. We'll do it after hours and on the weekends. And in exchange for my time and effort, I keep the chair when you're done with FabTech because I could not afford all of this equipment to destroy and build something cool out of. So that's the agreement we made. I said, but you can borrow it anytime you want, but I want it in my office.
Just come show up in your Chevette and just throw it in the back.
It's become a great tool to show the next generation that the only thing that limits you is some equipment, some skills, and your imagination. You can do whatever you put your mind to and build anything that you'd like.